Good morning, dear students. Let's begin our lesson. The theme of our lesson, 10th grade Mythbusters, cloning, myth or a fact. Okay. At first, I want to introduce you lesson plan. Lesson review. You will learn about cloning in this lesson. You will be able to recognize topic-specific vocabulary, identify the specific information whether it is myth or a fact. And there are introduction about today's lesson, video explanation about the theme, and there are given 9 tasks contains A, B, C degrees. At the end of the lesson, after doing all of these exercises, you will see your lesson result. Okay, begin. Mythbusters. Cloning, myth or a fact? Science is hard enough to understand, especially when there are so many myths floating around and the facts, which are mythbusters. Usually it's not easy to separate them. Mythbuster is a person, book, etc. that shows that something generally thought to be true is not, in fact, true or is different from how it's usually described. Today we'll learn about cloning, its myth and the facts. First, myth or fact? Cloning is a new technology. Cloning isn't new at all. In fact, we eat from plant clones all the time in the form of bananas and the grafted fruits. We've been cloning plants for decades. It takes about 30 years to breed a banana from seed, so to speed this process of getting fruit to market. Most bananas, potatoes, apples, grapes, pears, and peaches are from clones. Second, myth or fact? Offspring of clones are clones, and each generation gets weaker and weaker and has more and more problems. Yes, it's a myth. A clone produces offspring by sexual reproduction just like any other animal. A farmer or breed can use natural mating or any other acceded reproductive technology. The offspring are not clones and are the same as any other sexual reproduced animals. The last one, myth or fact? Artificial cloning techniques include embryonic cloning and fusion cell cloning. Fact, there are 2 main cloning techniques. And the last one, Dolly the sheep, it's the first world's sheep clone. In 1997, Scottish scientists announced the first successful cloning of an adult animal, Dolly the sheep. Dolly was produced from fusion cell cloning and only born after many attempts. Dolly died at an early age, the same as the sheep she was cloned from had been. She paved the way for treatments for hemophilia and cystic fibrosis. Okay, if it is clean, let's watch a video explanation to this material.
Cloning means making an identical copy. Clones are genetically identical and occur naturally in asexual reproduction, in bacteria, and in plants. Cloning can also occur in human reproduction, when a fertilized egg cell breaks in half, resulting in identical twins. With advances in biology, it is now possible to perform cloning in the laboratory. We now have the ability to reproduce exact genetic copies of plants and animals. There are 2 main cloning techniques. In embryonic cloning, the embryo from a pregnant animal is removed while it is still developing. All the cells in this embryo have the potential to develop into a fully grown animal. So they are separated in the laboratory to produce more than one embryo. These identical embryos are then transplanted into different host mothers. The offspring are all genetically identical to each other, but share only 50% of their genetic makeup with the mother. The second type of cloning is called fusion cell cloning. An egg cell is taken from the ovary and its nucleus removed. The nucleus of a cell from the donor animal is then inserted into the empty egg cell. The fused cell begins to develop, and the embryo is implanted into a foster mother. The offspring will express the genetic makeup of the donor animal. Clones are genetically the same. Any differences between them are caused by environmental factors, not genes.
Okay, after watching these explanations, let's do the tasks. Task number 1. You must listen to speaker, then do the task.
Watch the video and answer the questions.
What do you call organisms and that are genetically identical? Maybe you must choose the right answer. For example, clones, and check your answer. Okay, it's right. And after this, you will see the explanation of a new words. Okay, the next task also you must listen to speaker.
Watch the video and answer the questions.
Me for a fact, human cloning is impossible now. You must choose your right answer, then you must check, and after all, you will see the right or wrong answer. Okay, the next task, task 3.
Watch the video, read the definition and choose the correct term for it.
Embryonic cloning or fusion cell cloning. Also, you will check your answer and then you will see the explanation to this answer. The next task, task 4.
Watch the video and answer the questions.
You must choose the right answer from there. Okay, the next task.
Watch the video and answer the questions.
Me for a fact. Also, you must choose right or wrong answer. Okay, the next task.
Read the statements and replace the words in bold with their suitable synonyms.
You must choose right now. For example, then check. Okay, there are given explanation. The next task.
Watch the video and choose the true statements.
And the next also.
Watch the video and fill in the gaps. Write no more than 2 words for each gap.
You must write down here.
Watch the video and match the following statements with the appropriate speakers. One statement is extra.
For example, you choose you match the answers for like that, and then you will check your answer, and also you have to read your right answers and the explanations. Okay, at the end of the lesson you will see your results, and your home task is to write about cloning. How do you think we will change the world with the help of cloning? Okay, thank you for your attention. Goodbye.